okhabashija babesitinisa omu bushwere bwabo. Abakazi muri Kiruhura nibasiima gavumenti ahabwa obugabe oburyo mu ihanga.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kukibwaho
Yezamino na Nana Herbal Mouthwash urwanisa obugwire bw'amino turi kwija kwefuza. Nana gishango muri za pharmacy, drug shops na supermarkets.
Rose Foam Mattresses hamwe na St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences.
Amakuru mbwijwire omunsi yona amahanga gaja kuzekero cy'abakazi okusima emirimo yabo na no kureba ko bakobasa kushajikwa omirimo yabo. Aho mu Uganda emikoro yabo mu district ya Chankwanzi kandi omujenyi mukuru yaba President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Aho muri Mbara abakazi bashabwa okuhabashija babesitinisa nguchwero obushwere bwabo okura.
Okushaba okukwakorerwa mu kitambo kya miseri izoba ekyaba kitebeekanisibwa abakazi boona bari omu parishi ya Uganda Matters Mbarra nk'omuringo gw'okujaguza ekiro kyabo kandi meseji yakorerwa ha kereziya ya Rwebihuro omu Rukoranolya Mbarra City North. Abakazi abari okwa barukora emirimo yo kubisaho amaka gabo no kutungura ebyanga aho barukurga nabo basiima.
Teka mukazi ogwo aginiba kokira takutamamani kuko mukazi ogwo nasiba nakora emirimo ya buri izoba ngw'abana be bazo mu ishomero fire y'amazi nyingi z'abakazi abo tarakumanya ninga batarakumanywa bonka abariyo bakora ibyo kutangaza.
Rwita bwahika tukwase umunyeshengero kazahabwa Mbarra City wabari omujenyi mukuru yashaba abakazi okurekeraho okutina obwebembezi.
Romanya twabatiza kuziciro cy'abashara twafishika iturukire ayituza na nebite kuchimwe gukoreramo kandi no kutera umuranga omucara wa Uganda government ahefihire nata yatsa tushebe kuteka amani mingi abo kuba percent y'abakazi nyingi no kubasa kureka percentage eri nyuma ukatungura side emwe rero kajya mu ihanga ryatungu nico kureba government tiro programs nyingi ezikwata abachara nke parish development model emyuga wepu
oguyashaba abakazi obutaruga hamaramwa baheza kutunga ebizibu mu maka gabo.
Oyibuka ogakuyesiga ojwara odawakashego oshohora usima mukama bisekureba okujero
kandi okushabangu obgabe oburu batwire obgavumenti yatwire tutakabukozesa kubi nohurra hamwe mbagira ngo abakazi president akabahereza obgabe manya bari yo kwene bakore ebi manya tubakora birungi nga reko obgabo batwire tukorremu akasente tukorremu korra abana bitu.
Gasha kwa Adolf Ayoreka.
Omakuru aganda go kujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi omwihanga abakiruhura basima government ahabwo kubaho obugabe bwabo okukira munonga omumaka gabo abantu bagira ngo bwahatira karyabo n'oruhurwa kandi eki kibahweriro kwetungura.
Abakazi kugamba ebi no baba bari omukushaba ko kwesimira ekiro cy'abakazi okwabakereze yakitura omu Kashonyi district ya Kiruhura.
Obwakare obutegeki bwakare itwe ntukura bamawe bakabatugambira ngo bakabatagamba bakabataza mu bantu abasiza babo bakitahembaga babatasya kare bazo konka kutwabe turyaho twahirwa twabona government ya Museveni yatuhereza obusinge twatunga maraka kituraho konka situra takufuna chance yo kuzaguza ekirecho bwenu faza witu wakitura bwana mukuru astekatekiro mukoro gwo kuzaguza ekirecho rizobe biro munana twasiba ha parishi twasimara hanga konka harye echo sima president witu Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Miseji yaibembera Father Evarist Shabira Nechesika kandi yashaba abashija okuhereza abakazi kitinisa nko kuce bashemerire.
Abakazi omuka nibagaywa tokugamba na wagamba nabakubuza ngo aha nakuha waza kuleta Mario wanoza kuleta Mario gatwaro washundi akwatata obobona no buremezi obuba kubugana.
Ruth Mushabe Rujoki wabari umujenyi mukuru Miseji yasima President Museveni ahabwo kuyujuka omukazi akamuha ubwambero.
NRM ejeteka hire mukazi iraka bakazi bakaba takutira kushoma abakazi bakani bagaywa irakabwe mukazi yoko gamba sirya haribaro kukurra ninga kukurira bitate NRM kabaha ka volume yabete sokora yabaherezo bugabe yabateraho na position zezabo bonka.
Ruth wana yaje abakazi aba okugira entasa yabo nk'abakazi bitu kutari kutegenga rukushabiriza bashija babo
kandi kingushaba abakazi gukora no kuronda entasi yenko mukazi ibano wakubaye nesente mukakatira kuyaye korra
kandi n'abakazi batukorera imirimo minyu munonga aha byaro omumaka gaitu abakazi n'empagi z'amaani abakazi bakora imirimo y'amaani ntubasima munonga aho ibintu bikore mukora na muno kubisa hamaka gaitu cyonyera kubatabarusya mugire kiro cyurundi kandi muhure ngo mucyucaje ngwashemerwa.
aha wa TV West Susan Chelsea
webare munonga Susan Charles kandi tugumizamo na no kusiapo amakuru omuri Cankwanzi hasiba eriyangayanga ubwe Uganda irwegita mahanga gandi okukuze kiro cy'abakazi omuri district ya Lyantonde abashweri nene bashabwa okukora hamwe na no kutama no mukurwana so butabanguko bw'umaka obusigira makaminje gashenyukire.
Obuhabuzo obu bubira harisara amashirid omuri Lyantonde omuhoro yo kwegesa abakazi aha wina zine mukinjano ebiri omu maka.
The Bible says he is the head of the family. Omusajja tubora agenda bamwera n'asasula n'agiye buli kimu n'ojja n'olekawo your real blood sister wo ne brother wo ne mami ne dad you come to this man. So he is the head of the family. Why do you abuse him? Why do you quarrel with him? Omutara wana advise nze nti gendo teka amazi mukamwa musajja ngatandise okukola ti kuyomba. The moment you exchange words manya nti awo kati waliwo okulwana.
Ensonga y'obutabanguko y'amaanyi naye era nga ffe ekitongole tugezaako okulaba nga tugikwasaganya naye era mubeeramu ebirumira ebyetaagisa okuddayo wansi okusomesa abantu baffe kiki ekikwatagana n'amaka.
Okuganira okutebekanisiibwa ekitongole kyaffe weddo kandi borekera okukwatwa habwa abashija batari kwetaba mu nkiiko ezigenderire okurinda abakazi omu maka gaabo.
High expectations from the community, i.e. transport refund. Most people, they expect too much from us. Low turn up of men in community meetings. Abashija bingi tabari kuija aza ntichara abantu baganiza ngwino mwange kuija mu nkiiko. We
even have cases these days where women are battering their husbands. Most men feel shy, and when you don't follow up, you find the man is at home seated, he kept quiet, he's stressed, so some of them are likely to lose their lives.
A case in point is when we rescued 2 girl children who had just accomplished P7 and they were going to get married. For one day, and the district mobilized leaders to see to it that these girls were not married. We managed to rescue them.
Omukoro ogwo gwicirwaho omukuru w'entebe ya katano kandi aherekera okukwatwaho ahabwa abashija batiine bujunaanizibwa omu maka gaabo.
Kati twafuuse ng'obwola b'ente ng'erina ensumba olumala okwegatta enumi toddamu kugiraba ng'erina omukono naki kakati naye kyakumye ekidda mu bantu era tukivumirira.
Gasha kwa Sandeke William.
zamu nana okusya hamakuru okukyera munonga erizoba cyaba kiri ekiro cy'abakazi kandi antongera kuretera amakuru nana emikoro ku agenda Uganda erizoba yayigita aha mahanga gandi okuze ekiro cy'abakazi kandi kireki cyakuruzubwa umuri district ya Kyankwanzi umuri district ya Bushenyi umuhezi wa president Mary Karoro Okurutu yasima amatendekero agahwerira abakazi kwetungura
omuhabuzi wa mukuru w'ihanga Mary Karoro Okurutu nagira ngo amatendekero na munonga g'eby'emikono gahwerira abakazi kutunguka no kongera entasi y'amaka gabo ebi abagambira gwabira y'umujyi mukuru ahitendekero ya Kampala International University aho mukuru gwo kurambura ebyome biro kukoresha bwo kutungura ebya science ahitendekereri.
You can control it using your phone. And how do you do that? We connected this using we have the control panel. In the control panel we connected Wi-Fi, and then we have microprocessors that we connected to the phones.
Alhaji Dr. Hassan Masaja Baraba, how many awards has he won? Very, very many. And the most recent is that he was awarded as the best educationist in the whole continent.
The first of its kind, and we expect this event to pull all stakeholders here. Our major intention was to have KIU engage with the community, for the community to know what KIU is, what KIU can offer.
Omukoro gw'esirwa Open Day kandi niho Karora akora isomo gishogu okusima government abo kutungura abakazi.
As we celebrate International Women's Day, I want to appreciate KIU. 3/4 of the administration here are women of valor. Yes! I saw women in engineering, they are taking charge. I saw women, that place where I said I cannot step, in the Gava room. I saw women who have taken up positions that we never used to take up. Thank you, KIU.
Nyenda no kutora umugisho ko sima abakazi mwebare buzima obutaruha mwebare kwejumbira omyogeta yemwe nemwe kureba ngo twaye tungura twarwo kwenyuma twika ahituri mutakaruha kandi insima na government ahabwa program nyamwinji eze basize kureta eze kutagetinga mukazi nka iza grow eze kutagetinga abakazi bari mu business iza web parish development model na nyinji munonga
gasha kwa Sheikh Abdul Latif.
Of course bamama ningasha abakazi ntongera okubatabarsya erizoba cyaba kirekero cy'abakazi mwebare munonga ahabwita far hango munonga rumutire akutondeka na no kutukuza nangwa na no kutungura ihangeri amakuru gito of course no basa kutukuratara okurabira aha YouTube to live at TV West Uganda municherize mbase kwa nimpomora okache akandi otakaferwa nitugaruka na amakura minji munongo otakaferwa na nagagarukuraho agafu mchanga chao.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with Sakina, your du'as be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose foam mattresses be part of your journey, so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Kareem from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
ebiti nkubyenda Penkoni.
Yakweha utamuha umumudu nokora ekikire wanywa mpenkoni. Wanywa mpenkoni nushumura kushemererwa uhurura bunuzi na nobusinge. Nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni.
Igenda yakintu cyo cyo kunywa cyonka.
Mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija. Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje. Teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe.
Sinza kutambura. Ngashimya de kumpenkoni. Ukakasi. Kwata. Nawe nywako.
Tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga. Iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi.
Mpenkoni wakinkorire.
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beja bojo nabeshiki okwija kushoma certificate yo bonus nursing certificate yo buzalisa midwifery diploma yo bonus extension diploma yo buzalisa extension itenda cyo handiswa mu bwijire omu ministry yo bwegesi nemizan kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itenda cyo gine ntani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batenda kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendeke abeje bona baratungo buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwa beje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma bashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju nshanju ni 5 nshanju ni 7 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Osmosis again. Osmosis try to pay. Money was it enough? He checked every pocket. Money was it enough? Osi we're sorting it. With the momo we're sorting it. Osmosis checked again. Man is still not enough. He looked everywhere. Hey, but what is going on? Osi we're sorting it. With the momo we're sorting it.
Sita za uzazi takumara. We're sorting na MTN momo. Kwa momo app ninga shonyege star igana kaga ni 5 star 5 hash ukongeraho na momo advance kandi ushashure biruzi usindike sente ninga shogure bundles.
Ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabataka giremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo
na wapenzi yona nesente konka tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka nembogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Ruashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona ngabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University, Ruashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Ruashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu rukunjiri kandi kwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba zesimu 0772 96 051
Igabo yanyambaho umugo upfuna capital yakura mobile money actually they gave me like 3.5 million izindi ninkozesa nagura amasumu naboneza umwanya mwe nigabo egintu gisima kwanga niyo banka yitu ino muri Kagarama yonka tubitine banka yona konka kurgeisha nanye nayemerira abantu bingi abintu biri mu banko bakatunga kasente netuyambati kushubura nkito bashubuzi umwazi utwara kasente kawo kabikaho mwago kabiko munzu abantu bingi abashubuzi bya agriculture
igarabu wejo tifa masako igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwire ntasiya yawe shanje butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningoma tajigitaga wejo na kanunka branches omuri buhejo district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera not mushanju munana mukaga not 13 not ibiri. Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad namashemerwa menje nitutabarusi ababona abatungire visas kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena ngwemihendo yitu tugishazireho mpaka ali shilingi miliyoni 2 n'emitwaro 9 visa na air ticket byona bihwire kandi nitucenda abantu binji abashisha n'abakazi abujuna bishiki emyaka 21 okwikari ya 85 okwera cha Ichenyonyi Dubai emirimo ka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners okweyanisa no kwabusha free registration amataji git gona esimu noti mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga noti mushanju ina itano ninga noti mushanju ina not rukumi
tuzi necyo kunywa kirungi nawe cyo nindebeka ngo nakikozesa buri zoba nobunkuba mu ofisi nintekwa kureba ngo kirimu umukakiriyo abeka yanjye no bacumanya ngo kituzi nekintu ekitashimiye kuba ncho buru mukayitu abandi kuba shahezi bakuza kugira ngo baza muza gym no mukuza kwirukanga nyowe nimba ubwirobwe abandi babantu basa kuronde binde byo kunywa nyowe ni ndeba ngo nyine kituzi yanjye mbandu kunywaho ushanga kandi nabaje munonga
akuruka yoko mukahumuro tugumizamo nana amakuru Uganda rizoba yayegita amahanga gandi umunsi yona okujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi ekireki nikijaguza bwa borobero 8 byo kwezi kwa kashatu buri mwaka okusima emirimo ekoze rw'abakazi na no kureba mu haburemezo barukurabamo hamwe na no kuburondera umubazi
abo mwakogo emikoro yakorerwa omudisitulikiti ya Kyankwanzi omukiya kya Butemba College. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni we abari omujenyi mukuru yarahira okonja kurwanyisa obworo n'abarukushuma nkora sente za government ezigenderere okwera omuntu waburejo.
People those thieves are nothing.
Era ababbi temuli.
You can stop them.
Musobola obayimiriza obalemesa.
The money is yours.
Sente zammwe.
You are in the circle.
Muli mu circle.
All of you.
Mwenna.
All adults in a parish who want to engage in wealth creation.
Mwenna abakulu abali mu circle abagala okwegatta mu nkulaakulana.
The money we were giving you to start your circle was our money.
Sente ze babawa okutandika circle zaali za gavumenti.
100 million.
Million 10.
Every year.
Buli mwaka ate buli saako.
Amukorogo ebirungi n'entambo ez'abakazi bayikiraho byasimwa basingiza na gavumenti yarwanyisiriza ab'orutambo olwabasiise okwikaalya ebi.
Mama Janet yatudde senior 4 n'afuna 5 n'afuna ne binnya yagenze mu senior 5. Mama yayise eyo nvuddeyo muzeeyi weebale kutuleetera nkulaakulana.
Signifies trust and recognition of your leadership ability in the global stance.
Your Excellency, we are privileged as women of Uganda to have your ministers and all the other dignitaries that have graced this very important occasion as we celebrate the contribution of women to the national development.
President Hona yaraganisa okonja kurikiriza oburemezi obarukurabamu n'okwija kongera okureba ngo yaburondera omubazi.
The banks were deducting some money for the bank charges.
Banka zaali zijjako sente nga bagamba charges za banka.
We have stopped that.
Ekyo yakiyimiriza His Excellency nti banka teziddako basalako ssente.
The government will be the one to pay the bank charges.
Atweyanza Your Excellency agambye bank charges government ejja kuba ezisasula.
Abantu 46 baheba umudari ari aba bana babare abasheje 42 babare abakazi. Wagaruka aho murimo rambara ahitendekero rya Bishop Stuart University abeji abakazi bayigita abandi okwetorora ihanga Uganda okujoguza ekiro cy'abakazi.
Happy Women's Day.
How are you today? Here is a note from your daughter.
You do something for yourself. Don't you have hands? Don't you have a head? Think. Work. Akasente kani waka kwata no kalya kanuzire. Tikwe.
Until you can celebrate yourself, no one else will celebrate you. So whoever is standing outside, not in this tent, if you know you're a woman, join us.
Keep that zeal. Stay focused. Tomorrow is going to be bright.
I am energetic. Say I am significant. Say I am important. Say I will shine.
Resist against pests and diseases. I am telling you, Vice Chancellor, Reverend Mnwanu Wanjabaliaha, the most common enemy for you are those who want to eat when you are not ripe enough to be eaten.
The message of action for me today, for the women who are here, is very simple. Use your voice. Take up the space. Don't wait to be invited to the table, but take yourself to the table. Don't want to tell me that these girls have nothing to say.
Aba bagito abebembezi omre omnyishenjerukazi abambara city Rita Bwaika Lilian Ruteraho RDC Wakagade n'abandi benshi. Amukorogo abakazi bashabwa okwerizamo obutosha. Abeji banja bashabwa okwehara okutwaratwarwa ombita kubagasha. Abwa TV West Senyomo Gideon.
Webale munonga Senyomo Gideon. Twagumiza n'amakuru bwana mukuru wa parish ya Mabera mu district ya Chenjojo Faza Moses Mwebembezi yashaba abakazi omwihanga ryona okutwara cyo kureberaho cyabikira Maria okurebera makagabo. Faza Mwebembezi ebyabugambiro mu mesa yo kujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi muri district ya Chenjojo.
Father Moses Mwebembezi yayereko bukuru bwo kuze kiro cy'abakazi kandi yamanyisa ngo parish ya Mabera neza kugumiza no kujaguza ekireki.
Kinu tubire no muhimbo okujaguza ni ihanga ryetu hamunesiona the World International Women's Day kandi itwe kekerezia niko tukijagwize in a special way tusabira abakazi abacyara ba mama bitu ba sisters bitu abana bitu wisiki
Abamabera nabo babanza kutaho misa yo kujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi kandi bo bayitaba omumeseji basima President Museveni wabihira mu biyungu akabahereza obugabe.
Museveni mazima akatwiha enyuma yatufora ekitwali tutakumanyi ekituro saazimwe kyamaani saazimwe twine sente twine ebintu nturolera kulungi amaka gaitu.
Ekitiibisa President okwihayo omukazi omu kicumbiro okwo kyali kigumire muno obwire obwenyuma obundi ntabyo baitu bagambaga nk'okwe okwakwataga omuzindaalo mutyo okaza kubaza ng'omukazi isesanyabo.
Hamida Kahunde kansara omukazi wa town council ya Mabera yayira mukorogu yarabara abakazi hakoresa kubi obugabe bwa government yabahira.
Bamazira okuha obusobozi obwine business ogine obundi kansala nkanya hano omusajja gwakugamba n'osamba agende gutyo enkurate zaawe
emukori mukuru y'okujaguza ekiro ky'abakazi yaba mu district ya Kyankwanzi kandi omugenyi mukuru yaba ari mukuru w'ihanga Gashakwa Daniel Bingana
aturugumizamo umukujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi twakuretera Fiona Atwire uri kuvuga boda boda okwebisaho omukazi obu nenzarwa ya Kyamungwe omuri Kagambo division omuri Shema municipality kandi omurimo gwo kuvuga boda boda okwebisaho yagumara mu myaka 5
Atwire Fiona ine myaka 31 kandi narugo mu cyaro cya Kyamungwe muri Kagambo division Shema municipality ogu narebwa nko mukazi nyenkazi aho gukora umurimo guru kukira kukorwa abashija kandi nagira ngo akatandika kuvuga boda boda bwa nyuma yo kuteganisa bwo mushija owabira mushira kamunagaho akamusagatine kantukona
nkaba ntinde capital konka kunarebere ni basa kuvuga piki natandika kuvuga piki konka piki yinkuvuga tiyanje kagenda nazo mukama wanje namushaba piki ntungumeni kwanjura mbwe ni nyumani mwanjura bovuwa mukage sente zeye byanisande nebirye yanje
ogu nagira ngo akaba nararo wabandi kandi nabana akaba yabihiro mu ishomera takine fona ruguru yayeshobire
abana bakaba batakishoma konka hata abana bashoma nyina abana babiri mwari wo mu P5 ndizari mu P7 mukano bashoma tibine shonga ni nshashura renti ekinkwena ninchestiaho konka buri obunabere ntakuvuga boda ikaba niyo mumbera
bwa nyuma yo kutunga umunyambabazo wamuhire pichipichi ngo aguma jivuga mwanjuru rwo akagumisiriza byone byamugamberweho ahabo kuba akaba namanye cyaro kwenda
eraba cyaro kubarebere natandu kuvuga piki ajangwa harawana kabiri umuyayi umwe n'umukazi aravugira atapiki niko babembangera ngo kirabaho basunukane mima mbwene yo nagumiza mundu kore cyanje kinabere ninyenda n'icukura nkimpumbo bisinje umutima gwanjye
nkuko akihari kateburizayo Fiona naheka abashije kukiro bwinji ngo habo kuba bakazina bamugaya
akastoma abinja binkutwara n'abashije abunkutwara akujyanwa abashije tubakufayo kugira ngo no mukazi ninga no mushije kwandi uwo mukazi nabayinemo akasomoza ubwo umukazi mutayi wanje takantwara
hono gunagira ngo hino buremezi ubwo ari kuraba mu murumogo
abashije abamwe ko kugenda nawe wagenda nawe izagena nakubuza uno mushija ukigirota kandi hatina kuba mushija wawe agenda nakwata mwene mukekiri agenda nakwata hibondo mwene customer koko genda kwasara batatule kandi ntashikuwa kukwata umukazi wakashanga atatumisho
atwira yinenyekeriza ngo cyo mushija rukora umukazi we nakikora kurunji ngo kuba kugira ngo abana baruhanga ko babire nibemuruka n'abasitani bayejwanzemo ingutombe zashema ziretire Fiona n'umuraro mubi bwa nyuma yo kwikarurwa picha kamara emyezi 3 ari kujanja bebehonuka
customer yakugira ngo ntwara ushanga yo ukenjure gwire ukikaye enguto eberindi ukikayogwa arubu naragwire nkahinde ko kuguru kamara kamezi nkasha tubona ndakora naherze nagumani ni ndebo tarho kurya tarho ki naherze ko kamukame byo nayabinda byamo no kuguru kwakira nagaruka naronde ndizo picha natanakora
bamumba boda boda bari kuvugana Fiona nabagira ngo no mwekambi omurumogo
atemera mwekaba y'abantu bona oyiroho wano kundo murumogo wawe kandi nagwe no murumogo kendizo bitaba kuza kukwata kubi no murumogo waba yayi no murumogo wace no murumonko gw'abandi
ubwo kiri kumuganza no kuvuga piche yaro kwanjura bitwe sharaye no kubona senta akagura piche yeye gasha kwa mai kwa twachiri
Uganda izuba yayegita aha mahanga gandi okujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi ahari Kashakagaro Secondary School mu district ya Mbara ishomero ryatebekanisa ho mukoro ogwo kuze kireki kandi abana babishi bashabwo kurinda obunyeto bwabo obutabafera busha
kuze kiro cy'abakaza hishomero rya Kashaka Gauzo muri Mbara abana babishye bashabwo kutamana mu kushoma kibahwere nyensi yabo abeja hishomerero bakwatanise n'abashomireyo babanza no kutambura kwetorore tauni ya Kashaka nemyanye heriri ishomereri
twaba to celebrating na Women's Day ko mwana wo mwishiki Kashaka Girls nimwe ishomero eri omwana wo mwishiki arugiremu akaba doctor arugiremu akaba roya akarugiremu akaba umuntu wo kutangaza mu ihangoma
abiciro bakiri bake but we are still encouraging so to be encouraging akosa hands on one oreba like tailoring then hair dressing then even to be encouraging akuzo mirimo ebyabashije bakora
hangarirungi ne barimu omukazi murungi wo buryo ahabwo kuba hatari umukazi ihanga tiri rukubasa kuba. That is why nani ihanga as Uganda is addressed as she.
Aha mwanyogu twantwenda kuba motivating abana bakamanya ngo ko kushoma to kurigira mwaho babasa kwetegereza mbu wagumiza all discipline ndo ine mico mirungi ukahurira abatishazi babona n'abazire notekwa kurugo munsi notekwa kuzo munsi ni wokareba birungi byenseje.
So to encourage that my bichu ba joining bareka kureka ngo emirimo ne yaboje no abicuntu basa kubukora
ishomerero ryo mukwetebe kansi zo kuze myaka 20 ya marombo hereza bwo kushomesa umwana wo mushiki omucanga cha ankore omugani makuru omukuze kiro cy'abakaza mu district ya Ntunga mu government yashabwo kurwanisa omuze gw'abakaza bari kufana bazarro marwaro gatargamwe na gamo muyanga
akaraba cyara twature nyuma ukati turi umiso tukore cyukuri twakunda ekikushemeza tombeka makagitu nindebe bintu byona birije
celebrate ngoro na koru abatwantongeza kutera umuranga akwantureba ngo fatality rates z'abacyara ningashi okufa kw'abacyara n'abana babo bakuzara kushije hibwo munonga none tongeza yo kumanyisa kutera umuranga ngo kirikizo cyango turebe okutwakupatanisa n'ebitongo bitari umwe na umwe hamwe na government okutwakutera emiranga tukoshemeza abakazi tukongeza emibazi tukongera
ekiro cy'abacyara nyoteka kizakuzaga abacyara twatugenyuma munonga konkeri izoba twazambure tawuni yitu nabona rebo furpo bwene twashemererwa buzima neri jesha shemerirwe mazima
ahabwa TV West nde era akiza na Anita atkunda
omurebe witu wa TV West murungi otwikirize tuhumureho ntugaruka kokusi amakuru aganda marungi otakargaho
waza kwetegereza iraba kandi batekateka ngo abakozi benkito ngunote ko kuboryo muremo timu akore no nibuba bino shoti abakutunge nkito n'abaremo bakabagira ngo umuntu utakura ngo nuwe murungi ngo mukubisha hatije abantu batakwetegereza no kugira ngo ombinde by'emikono eby'emikono tubiru kumanya yabo ryo mugiga yabo inamisho n'emikono n'amaguru yabo eby'emikono no kubikunda ecyo abantu bakwenda ecyo bakweta interest ecya kabiri eby'emikono tibyinerevu actually itwo mu by'emikono abantu abimukweta disadvantaged itwe disadvantaged n'abakutekateka ngo they know much actually no bari disadvantaged by'emikono ningashi imwe abashomere munonga actually nimwe disadvantaged group by'emikono akwana mutekateka ngo numumanya kongo mukumanya tine kimwe kwasa gukora hati itwo by'emikono iwe ijan kokori oine interest buri level yawe konka kandi okwenda kongera ngo tuboreke ngo abantu aba itwe ntubendera kimwe twine na scholarships z'abakazi hatika tubara umwana wo mwishi yagira ati nyowe ni nyenda kuzomirme y'abashija ugwe wayije yanaye kakasa lete za eze nachi tumuhe scholarship agenda singa abashija omukanika enyonyi nokukanika emotoka ebyakarumagezi byona twine scholarships iyo wanotekateka ngo abantu nibakugaya ngo ine hecoboremo yabo takureba yabo tine mikono yabo tine maguru iwo buremu bwona nkokori weija nkokori twine courses ezikuza kugira zita ezuri kubasa kukora.
Oino mukoro nk'embaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM n'emikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rw'ensi yona obwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents z'ebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko. Tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omuri City okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga atano ni itano chenda na mwenda ananeina. Tina events nito twenko muri burenje rw'izoba abino buhereza bw'omurembe.
Katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi okurugera izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nako hamutima byaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya echa katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ine chama chayo muhuje katochi yerya hamutindo. Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi teri kuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka eri cyashingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu ni ibiri mukaga nemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management, we strive for quality health.
Musego abadomu lwa katoli ku ndongozina
nanywedde kano kaalo vera chawuda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kakindi katyebule mutoolo okolola okotyongo kakwata kano
muzeyi kano bakayita batya
pineapple soda drink kakamuddwa mu nanansi
bojo
mutoolo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga
bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi.
Kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi
ye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi butammira ku soda drink n'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Man, valet took forever. There's no valet here. Who took my coat? That could have been bad.
Mountain Dew. Do the Dew.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
olina omutwe oguluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusujja. Waliwo Kiramo Plus. Kiramo Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyambako embuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kiramo Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera, genda olabe omusawo.
Turn your house into the GoTV Kids Club. Your GoTV package is your ticket to entry, and there's plenty for everyone. Discover new places, play along with wacky characters, and learn fun facts and essential skills. So get and stay connected to GoTV for 24-hour access to the GoTV Kids Club at home and on the go with GoTV Stream. GoTV. Love it.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Kanderi zoba twatayira aba Honest Model Primary School Romuhoro Ibanda. Echaturetaha no kwasa omusinguzi witu wa school fees omwaka gona second term, third term na first term ya 2026.
Unganyo chance meza munonga ukurabansa surro mwaka gona mwenanya nagurukana atagorana azana ahabwo kusemerwa mukama abaherezo mu gisabambe.
Dial *165 *80 hash. Select option 2 for school pay. Select option 1 to pay school fees. Enter the student number and amount and approve the transaction. You will now enter the draw to win school fees for your child for a whole year.
In the neighborhood, near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution. 66. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
Uganda, are you ready to kick things up to the next level? The Uganda National Lottery brings you Sports Stake 10. Predict the results of 10 football games and win big. With tickets at only 500 shillings, join the fun and make your predictions count with Sports Stake 10. Sports Stake 10, your ticket to football glory.
Uganda National Lottery. Dream, play, win.
Participants must be 18 years or older. Play responsibly. The Uganda National Lottery is operated by Ituba Uganda and regulated by the National Lotteries and Gaming Regulatory Board.
Hey kids, we're going to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enjoy 5 ways to love your baby, smoothen and protect your baby's skin with 5 new gentle formulations. Original to nurture your baby, aloe vera to protect your shibubu's skin. Cocoa butter to comfort your pinku, mild scent to soothe your little one, and avocado to soften your buju skin. Available in all supermarkets, retail shops, and cosmetics shops near you. Move it, baby jelly. All day confidence.
Mwami, waza kurgaho yejeko. Hona mazimanyi wenkabanda. Reba musuru gwanje kugurukush. Agarahanga taro chintatiro musuru gwebichorogo. Burchiri sachona nchitiremu. Murana kabumu abazenyona abu mukasheshe. Konka reba musuru gwa murano rebo gwanje. Nkakugambira ngo mukakapere nandoga konka wayanga hatu wachireba.
Hata bichoni yori bikuteze nduru no yabanta mirimo yabawe bichori. Mukakapere mushanje nakosije musa cha crop champion. Taro muhinjo migandom arukweza atakosije musa cha crop champion. Omuhinji wen kosije musa cha crop champion. Abashubuzi muchanje a Joseph Farm Supplies a Kings Plaza omishoga Coppers Complex eduka namba G1 ejimusech nishango maduka gona omwihanga. Crop Champion, the farmer's best choice.
Umakura g'ekicweka abarukushoma obunansi hamwe n'obuzarisa ahari Everin Health Training Institute bashabwe kwerinda kutwariza kubi abarwire abo barikubano baragura baba bahiriza okushoma okushaboku kwirweyo Dr. Nathan Karema aha mukoro gwo kujaguza okukora gye kwabegi ahishomereri.
Umukoro gwo kushaguza obusinguzi bw'abeegi ba Evelyn Health Training Institute gubiremu kushaba no kusima okwebembirwa Reverend Sarah Bareba.
Results are not, they don't come by accident. They are homegrown. Ukakuyaro siri, ukagodera, ukagotaringa, ukakukiza kwakasinga, ukahavesinga, something that is bounded.
Abeja bari kushoma obushaho n'obuzarisa hona bashabirwa kugira emico no kureka kutuntuza abarwire baba bahereze kushoma.
Trains people who are going to save those rights, you know, save those rights. You can't take it for granted because without training these people, many more women will continue to die. This means you are on a high demand. We need what?
Abarkwebembera ishomero basima umurimo gw'urukorwa bashomesa n'abeegi okutungura omutindo gw'ebyamagara.
Striving for future excellence. Don't look at this and stop there. We have to keep on pushing.
Gasha kwa Anita Tukunda.
Omakuru ag'ebyemizano timu 28 z'amashomero ga senior ku rw'omu ihanga ryona nizo zayetaba omumpaka za Jovok Basketball Open erizoba ahari St Joseph's Vocational School omuri Nyamitanga. Empaka ezi nizibaho buri mwaka na n'ekigendererwa eky'okutungura entaranta z'abantu.
Twafuna omugisha twatunga amashomero mingi okukwiza kuzaana omuzano gwa basketball hano ya St Joseph's Vocational School. Amashomero 28 nigo gija 19 g'aboojo kandi 9 g'abishiki. Kandi ntureba abantu ba leta abantu babine entaranta amashomero mingi gizwa keterana hati mukuzano reba entaranta reba ngo abana bine entaranta kandi reba ngo ebiro by'omwisha ab'omuzano ogu n'ibirungi munonga kandi tureba ngo urukuza kuwari ekikope eki ky'omwaka ogu naza kuba akozire n'amaani okuba tiimu zona so ziteekateekanise kurungi.
Eriizooba twatwine emizano ya Jovok Open konka twaruzinga twaruga mu gurupu twatwinemu Ndeje Jovok ba hositi twaruzinga konka ejeji twentujukozesa nka ayo Bafrane bana bebe experience then twija bibiri because we can compete abo tournament open basakosa kumana wenu.
Umurebi wito wa TV West Murungi nitukusima itwatandikira kandi amakuru gita Agacencwire twagahirira agantishaga kuretera nyincakare nabwe eshahano zo zimwe shayibiri zekiro banaga kusyaho nabandi Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Loyce Gava owo rumo rw'obonero